everybody, it's Robin. I'm here with Guru. I've started this tutorial with a French manicure tip of a coat, and then I topped it with a matte. And I have a bunch of different teals out on a plate, and I have tons and tons of water. So the best way to describe this is like watercolor, only I'm using acrylic paint because it was easier today. So I put a bunch of water on this, more than usual, and I keep spraying it down more than usual. And I am going into this light blue first. I'm taking the white, mixing it with the light blue, and this is a teal mostly, and making sure it's nice and watery. I want it just to be nice and watery. This is in the neck of my brush, but it's not going anywhere. It's just going to be wiped out like this. So then I take it and fill the brush up with the teal again, and I'm going to wipe over some teal like this, and just a cloud-like formation. And Guru, I just want to thank you for having a nice, quiet time with me. Mm-hmm. My shop has been full of loud people. And I think everybody can just hit like if they agree. My Lord.
Noise makes sore brain.
Woo, my head is sore. Let me tell you. Everybody decided to have a baby together. Right in the middle of me chopping wood.
Silly people.
Goodness gracious.
I'd rather chop wood than have a baby any day.
Me too. Not that I don't love babies, but
I don't care what age you are.
Oh, my
we got
Lord.
enough people.
Yeah, I do. And I just have enough noise. It's just lovely today. Just lovely. I did this field just talking. Nobody cried. It was lovely. If we cried, it wasn't because our diaper was wet. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm just kind of swirling in color and using lots of water, drying my brush off, tip, and then pushing the color where I want it. It dries so quickly. It really does. And I'm adding colors more and more. So this is a highly pigmented blue color. And see how it's still in the water? Now, people say, can you water marble with paint and instead of polish? Not really, but I can teach you how. My fear is that it's not going to be that easy, and you guys are going to have fails and then you give up. It's easier with polish. However, you can layer this highly pigmented paint over the top of each other while it's wet, and it kind of spreads and draws out, and it makes it beautiful, and it just gives its own effect. And I'm going to stay with that for now until I'm just a little bit more prepared on my channel, because I need help, to be honest, and it's very hard for me to get everything I need to teach out and available to you guys by myself. So I try to do all I can, and I just try to make sure that I don't overburden myself, because it becomes so hard, and I have given you guys so many different designs and stuff, and it's hard to answer all those questions just being me. So I just have to have faith that one day I'll get help. Right, Guru?
Yes.
I know that it's right around the corner. I feel it.
Yep.
So there's that. When it's dry, boom. Oh, well, almost dry. Look, that one's not dry yet. It's going to look like this. Now, I'm going to take different glitters and get them ready. But let me finish this out first. I'll meet you back. Boop. Go ahead and say I have some white.
If you don't remember anything else I said today, remember what I just said.
I will.
I forgot it.
You know what? It needs to be said in front of everyone. Guru, this is why Guru is my guru. Guru, can you please re-say that for my video? And if I decide to edit it, I will.
Okay. I said to you that you are given, your foundation of your life is what you are physically and mentally given.
Right. So everybody's different.
Everybody is different. So you take what you've been given and improve upon what you've been given. because if you don't, you'll have a lesser life. It gives you independence.
Right. Because I said, I want independence. I want a just reciprocity. That's all I want, is like a day's wage for a day's work. And in my profession, that is something that is not afforded unless you give so much time and effort, and it should be easier for the next generation. And I don't feel like I have ever had independence for what I do. But looking at it from that perspective, where independence equals health, that is beautiful. So I hope you guys like that.
I loved it.
Thanks, doctor.
Viva la Robin.
Thanks. Well, you know what? Your independence is as well, Miss Thing.
I haven't been given much. A lot of work.
Oh, I like that shirt.
Thank you.
That's cool.
She's quite.
Festive today.
She's quite. Yeah, she's quite the
If she
beautiful
had a red
disco
nose,
ball.
she'd be all right.
She does. She's working on it with her chai, tea.
Hi, Jack.
You had chai.
My baby, which we all know and I love more than life, and all my children is my car.
Oh no.
Good woman. I
I'm
like
scared. Well,
Well,
that. What did you do to your lady?
Ludacris makes. Are you still on?
yeah.
Oh,
Oh my God, you guys, you got somebody to talk on camera. Can you believe it? Finally somebody talked. I can't believe it. Look, she just turned red. Anyways, okay, let me go ahead and, do I want to finish this with that or this? I think I'm good. I'm going to top coat this and meet you back, and I know you guys are all screaming, no! But I have a feeling it's going to be
I want to
naughty.
hear what the doctor's car did.
What did your car do?
Well, Ludacris made us sit faced in a car. When the car goes in a ditch.
Oh yeah, that's getting. That's good.
edited.
Wait. Wait. I'm just gonna go ahead. Wait. I'm gonna do this. Edit. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and meet you back. First of all, nobody was even getting lucky in that car. That she wrecked her car.
that was a song.
Yeah, I don't even understand what that has to do, except for she ended up in a ditch face first. Anyways, now that
She might have been listening to that song and she
Oh.
drove off the road.
well, we'll have to figure that out later. But what I wanted to show you is when I top coat, do you see how it all comes together and kind of emulsifies into this really beautiful, ethereal, kind of watery blue? That's what I wanted to show you. So I'll meet you back.
It is.
Okay, now I am going to change the lights on this, but how pretty
I
is
love it.
this? Do you love them, Doctor?
It's very angelic for a very angelic wearer,
Oh.
who I love dearly. So vote for her.
Oh my God. Oh my God, somebody is on fire today. Well, her tutorial ought to be a kick in the pants. Okay, so anyways, you guys, if you guys like this, thumbs up, share it, all that. Please give this to people who
kicking
want to learn how to work in a nail shop and really be successful as a nail artist. I love you guys and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye,
Bye.
Bridget.